Thank you for your interest in the Stability Ball and MedBall training program created by me. I want to answer 3 questions before you invest in this program. Number 1, who is this program for? Why should you listen to me? And what can you expect from the program? So number 1 is, who is this program for? This program is for the person that wants to work out using med balls and stability balls, whether it's for the core, the lower body, or upper body. There's all different ways to work out with med balls and stability balls. You must be at intermediate to advanced though. Number 2 is, why should you listen to me? Well, I've been a fitness professional for many years, and you can look at my profile, all my 5-star reviews. I've got 40 plus now, and all the programs I've created. I believe that I can help not only people in my local community, but I believe that I can help people on here as well, investing in this program. Finally, what can you expect? Well, you can expect to get med ball workouts, med ball exercises, stability ball workouts and exercises. But more than that, I'm going to add in bonuses from other programs that have been flagship programs, that have been great selling programs in nutrition, other fitness programs, that you can pick and choose what bonuses you want to use, and maybe, possibly, what you would want to invest in the future for other programs and other different programs that I've created that aren't just in fitness. I've got fitness, nutrition, self-improvement, Christianity, other things that I believe I'm an expert with. So without further ado, I'm excited for you and your results, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.